Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add your Visa gift card to your Cash App account. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right, scroll a little bit down and go to the linked banks. Then click this plus icon right here. And when you go to this page, you need to enter your Visa gift card information. You need to write your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and click link card in the bottom right menu. When you link your Visa gift card, then you can deposit money on your Cash App account using Visa gift card. So how to deposit money? You need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu, then click add money. Choose add instantly, select the amount you want to transfer, click continue and choose Visa gift card from the payment methods. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.